Alright, so today, all I'm doing, wow, I just realized they didn't put my airbox back on. I've been sucking in hot air. Oh my goodness. Alright, change of plans. Going to get my air ducting back from the shop. They probably just didn't realize, I don't know. Alright, got it back on. That was funny. Probably my gas mileage has been so bad, right? And we're back. Got my boy. But today we're changing, I don't know if you can see it. Oil catch can is right back in there. Jesus, dude, I hate taking this off. There you have the beautifully mounted oil catch can. I can't get a good grip, dude, and everything in here is hot as balls. Might have to wait on that and just skip to the air filter for right now because that thing is on fire, dude. Oh my goodness. It's a little dirty, as you can see. So, using the K&N Power Clean tells you to liberally spray the cleaner onto both sides of the filter and allow it to soak for 10 minutes to loosen the dirt. So we're gonna do that. So that's pretty liberal. Meanwhile, while the filter takes the cleaning, I'm gonna try and cool down this freaking catch can, dude. This thing's so hot. It's been 10 minutes. Soaking, letting the dirt get in there. So now, spray it. This water hose over here. Much cleaner. Nothing stuck on the inside. You can see light all the way through it. So now we let it air dry. After about 30 minutes of AC, I can touch the damn thing now. So I think I can actually get this catch can off. Seven months. I don't know if you can see that. It's not that much, so I'm gonna drain it in the grass. Let's check on the air filter. Drying nicely. Let's flip it over. Almost done. All right, so it's been drying out here for like 20-30 minutes now. I'm just gonna blast it with some shop air and as per the K&N air filter oil, we're gonna spray each crown approximately 3 inches away. So we're just gonna go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth on each thing and let it soak for 20 minutes. tells you to get a consistent red color all the way across without absolutely drenching this thing in oil. I don't think I'm gonna get that perfect red color, but this is 10 times better than it was before. So I did this on both sides. We're gonna wait 20 minutes and then put it back in. And then cleaned up the inside of here too. Super, super clean now. Everything else is put back together. All right, it's been 20 minutes. It's about as good as it's gonna get. As you can see, it is clean bean. You can see 100% through it, no issues. So, successful recharge. All right, so we got the engine air filter charged and re-cleaned, cabin air filter blown out, oil catch can emptied, and then got my air ducting back. So, green bean.